So I was going to save this as like a live stream. I'm still going to do partially live with it, but this is like a full circle moment for me. It's like a full circle moment. Uh, so first thing, you know what I'm saying? Boom. I've never had, you know what I'm saying? I've never paired, the cigars with that. So it's a couple things here. First thing you see, this right here. It's, as you see it, currently it's a vest. However, it wasn't a vest when I got it. So this was an American Eagle jacket. I took my knife, cut the sleeves off on it. Why did I do that? What was the inspiration for doing such a thing? Because this is the vest that I wanted. This was the vest from Zara. And I kept talking about it. I was like, yo, I'm gonna take that chance, man. I'm gonna see if it ever goes on sale. Nice size pockets. Extra big, large one on this side. That's why when I saw that jacket, I still turned it into this vest. It's a full circle moment though. It's a plasencia. So, I walked into the Ralph Lauren Polo store. I said I gotta talk to Lauren personally. I get to the back of the store, the vibe, the theme of it changed just a little bit. You start seeing some cowboys, some rodeo type shit. I said, wow. Damn. Like damn. Like Ice Spice. Like damn. The leather different. I was live streaming. I said, that's the one. What's the price on it? $1,900. It's a full circle moment. So, stopped at the park today, saw this shirt, fuck with it. It's artistic. There's the chair right there. Kick the chair, but has a good message. Now, it's not $1,900 and it ain't Ralph Lauren, but it gave me the vibe and the feel. It gave me the vibe and the feel, kind of, sort of. It was close to it. So I just had to do this in a random parking lot because I needed some light. It's night. Martin Lawrence got a movie called The Black Knight. But, you know, the best trilogy is The Dark Knight. I gotta do it. And I think when I go to really do it and I go to really make an edit, I'm not sure if you should have a full bottom. Need a model shaped like a Coke bottle. See, I don't want to struggle like this. I want to be out tomorrow morning. I want to be able to open it up on some smooth. You understand? What time is it? Shot o'clock. LMA. Shot clock. I ain't chasing shit unless it's money and liquor. So I'm gonna chase the Tennessee whiskey with Monster. Shit like that.